Your car is losing power, using more fuel than usual, or taking longer to start? The problem might not be the fuel pump. A failing fuel pressure sensor can send incorrect information to the engine computer, causing poor performance, hard starting, and even stalling. In this video, we'll cover 7 common signs of a bad fuel pressure sensor, what causes it to fail, and what you should check before replacing it. Let's get started.
Check engine light. One of the first and most common signs is the check engine light. The fuel pressure sensor monitors fuel pressure and sends that information to the engine control module. If the sensor sends readings that are too high, too low, or completely inaccurate, the computer may detect a problem and turn on the check engine light. You may also find fuel pressure-related trouble codes when scanning the vehicle. But remember, an engine code doesn't always mean the sensor itself is bad. Wiring problems, low fuel pressure, or other fuel system issues can cause similar codes. 2. Hard starting or no start. If your car takes longer than usual to start, a faulty fuel pressure sensor could be part of the problem. The engine computer uses fuel pressure information to help control fuel delivery. When the sensor sends incorrect readings, the engine may not receive the proper amount of fuel during startup. You may notice extended cranking, difficult starting, or in more serious cases, the engine may fail to start at all. However, don't immediately blame the sensor. A weak fuel pump, clogged fuel filter, bad battery, or faulty injectors can cause similar symptoms.
3. Poor acceleration. Another major warning sign is poor acceleration. You press the gas pedal, but the car feels weak, sluggish, or slow to respond. If the fuel pressure sensor provides incorrect information, the engine computer may not properly manage fuel delivery. This can affect engine performance, especially when accelerating or driving under load. You might notice the problem more when climbing hills, passing another vehicle, or accelerating onto the highway. 4. Engine stalling. Does your engine suddenly shut off while idling or driving? A bad fuel pressure sensor can sometimes contribute to engine stalling. If incorrect pressure information causes improper fuel delivery, the engine may struggle to maintain stable combustion. The vehicle may stall at traffic lights, during acceleration, or occasionally after starting. If your car stalls while driving, don't ignore it.
5. Rough idle or engine misfires. A failing fuel pressure sensor can also cause a rough idle or engine misfires. You may feel the engine shaking, vibrating, or running unevenly. This happens because incorrect fuel pressure information can affect the air-fuel mixture. The engine may run too rich or too lean depending on the problem. You may also notice RPM fluctuations while the car is sitting still. 6. Poor fuel economy. If you're suddenly visiting the gas station more often, pay attention. A faulty fuel pressure sensor may send incorrect data to the engine computer, causing inefficient fuel delivery. The engine may use more fuel than necessary, reducing your miles per gallon. Of course, poor fuel economy can also be caused by bad oxygen sensors, dirty air filters, leaking injectors, or other engine problems. So it's important to diagnose the issue instead of replacing parts randomly. 7. Fuel smell or black smoke. The final warning sign can be a strong fuel smell or black smoke from the exhaust. If the engine is receiving too much fuel, it may run excessively rich. This can sometimes produce a noticeable fuel smell and dark exhaust smoke. You may also experience reduced performance and poor fuel economy at the same time. If you notice a strong fuel smell, inspect the vehicle carefully for possible fuel leaks. Never ignore a potential fuel leak, especially near a hot engine or exhaust system.
Before replacing the sensor, start with a few basic checks. First, scan the vehicle for trouble codes using an OBD2 scanner. Next, inspect the sensor connector and wiring for loose connections, corrosion, or damage. If you have access to live data, compare the sensor's reported fuel pressure with the manufacturer's specifications. Also remember that the real problem could be somewhere else in the fuel system. A weak fuel pump, restricted fuel filter, faulty pressure regulator, wiring issue, or leaking injector can produce similar symptoms. So always diagnose before replacing parts.
If this video helped you understand the signs of a bad fuel pressure sensor, hit the like button and subscribe to Fixpro Garage for more simple car diagnostics, warning light explanations, and DIY repair tips. And comment below, which symptom is your car showing right now? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.